Tatweer is a strategic and comprehensive revisit of human resource performance. Within this project, we are aiming to have a top quartile organization that will add value to the bottom line of Oman LNG. Within Tatweer, we have used a global renowned model of David Orich. Within that model, there will be three key contributions that the HR department will bring to the table of Oman LNG. One is we are building the organization capability. Second, we are bringing the talent capability within Oman LNG. And last but not least, we are building leadership capability of Oman LNG. Within these projects, and to focus on those three pillars, the key 4 areas that we will be focusing in is: 1, addressing the human resource capability or the HR organization people capability. Second, we will be building an efficient HR organization. Third, we will be addressing the HR digital and how HR is moving into the digital arena. Last but not least, we will be looking at leaning and optimizing all HR processing. Tatweer as a journey started almost a year back, and we have made sure that there are heavy engagement either within the HR team themselves or through the engaging the business. There have been heavy engagement at all levels within Oman LNG. Also, we are using the Tatweer itself to enhance collaboration within the teams and within the HR teams. So we have set 7 key stream areas that we'll be working in Tatweer for the coming 3 to 4 years. And also to enhance collaboration with the business, we have invited nominees from the business to be part of this journey. We are hoping and we are believing that their contribution will be effective in the HR journey moving forward. We are handling this as a real project, as a real critical project, using all the good project management practices. We have appointed a dedicated project management office within HR. We have engaged senior representatives from the business to be part of the steering committees of this project. We will have continuous engagement. We will be issuing continuous performance reports and key performance indicators for the projects. Last but not least, we are looking that this will be a real game shifter on the HR arena, and we are hoping that the HR organization within Oman LNG will be accredited by a renowned international standards that will truly demonstrate our Oman LNG vision, which is the best at what we do. Thank you, and I wish Oman LNG good success going forward.
I think my role as a steering member of Tatweer, it's key, yeah, and that's why in the first place I volunteered when I was asked, whether I want to be part of the steering, because I believe anything you do about people is important, and at the end of the day, any company rotates around its people. And Tatweer, what I like about this project is that from the beginning, the steering committee was really involved to a point of shaping it. So not only just it was done and then we steer, but it was we helped to steer, we helped to shape it. And I think now at the moment the teams are busy looking at long term. It's a very ambitious program, but I think given the employee value proposition that it has, a lot of people will pick it up very positively. We've had already 2 steering committee meetings, and so far I'm still quite excited. Haven't seen the first quarter report out yet, but I seeing some of the people running around trying to get data and all that. It's enlightening. The other positive part I saw was, as an outsider, I'm not in HR, is the involvement of almost everybody in HR is part of Tatweer. And this is not very easily achieved, which means that the whole HR have to put their heart and soul into delivering this project. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to welcome you all to Tatweer. First, let me explain to you what this Tatweer is all about. So Tatweer is a 3-year strategy within HR that we've embarked on. And within Tatweer, if I want to visualize it, it would be more of the current state, where are we now, and what's the desired state. So there will be a gap between the two, the current state and the desired state, and that gap will be bridged with initiatives that we're going to come up with within HR. However, within HR, when it comes to the initiatives, those initiatives should be outside in, means that we should be looking at what's the business really needs, and also that alignment between the business and HR, and alignment is also between HR and what's going out there. So we need to scan the market and to see what's there in terms of best practices, bring it to Oman LNG HR. So that alignment is really critical with the business, with what's going on around us, as well as also alignment among HR itself, among the HR processes, what I call it more of horizontal alignment. So that's the vertical alignment with the business and the horizontal alignment among all in HR. So this is what Tatweer, which is in Arabic improvement, and it's 3 years plan to improve HR.
Tatweer is about improving HR organization, people, processes, and analytics. It is a journey to a paradigm shift in HR.
I'm Ali Hamid, part of HR team. Tatweer is a journey of continuous improvement. What is differentiating Tatweer from other projects previously being conducted in HR area, that Tatweer has taken into considerations all dimensions. So we're talking about the global view, and hence we have decided to follow Dave Ulrich HR model. We also taken the view and the feedback from all our key stakeholders from line of business, and here we're talking about line of business and technical and non-technical. And last but not the least, our view as HR professional, we have engaged with all HR populations to get their view and see where they would like to improve in HR arena. Now, what is differentiating also Tatweer from other projects, previous projects, that the involvement from other departments. So we will have cross-functional involvement, as quite a number of members from other departments will be involved in delivering key projects in HR as part of the Tatweer project. My role as a project stream manager is to equip my colleagues with the right tools and resources, and equally give the right feedback to ensure the delivery of Tatweer. My milestones up to the expectations in all aspects. I believe Tatweer is going to take us to where we would like to be, and that is not internal view, that is external and internal view. Thank you.
Tatweer is a continuous improvement journey which will contribute to the value proposition of Oman LNG. Being as a resourcing workstream lead, I'm targeting to deliver a quality initiative that will impact and will add value to both Oman LNG and to the to HR as well. Thank you.
Being a member of HR for quite some time, I can see that Tatweer is making a shift within HR, as it will bring the team together and it will enhance and improve the overall HR organization to make proper alignment with the business need. Thank you.
Is a journey for HR to create value, to create alignment between HR and the business, and our end in mind is to add to the bottom line of Oman LNG. So let's fasten our seatbelt, everybody, and bon voyage.